subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Soon after launching Realme 10 4G, the company has now launched the 5G version of it in China with quite different design. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the smartphone. The Realme 10 5G features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a 90.4% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 6GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is again expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Realme 10 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture, and there is unspecified portrait lens with f2.8 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on Realme UI 3.0 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.4 by 75.1 by 8.1mm, and it weighs around 191 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the Realme 10 5G smartphone. The Realme 10 5G has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1299 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1599 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in stone crystal black and gold color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme 10 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.